Kinkeliba tea or Seh-Haw tea with Acacia or Jalaban. Seh-Haw is the Senegalese word for Kinkeliba, according to what I learned about Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba. Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba said, and this is you could find this on various websites if they still have it up, that the mystical name for Kinkeliba is Seh-Haw, S-E-H-H-A-W. And before I even begin, I just want to thank Sheikh Sufi. Assalamu alaikum, my brother. In the words of Wolof, thank you, Judah Jeff, for even bringing the awareness of Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba into my live stream. So I want to thank also Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba, Sheikh Iba. So here I have a cup of tea. Let me show you. This is Seh-Haw or Kinkeliba and Acacia or Jalaban. So I'm going to hold this and do a muscle test with that 25-pounder. Okay, here it is. Holding the tea, lifting. Nice lift. Then I put the tea over here on the table, and this is my lift. Oh! Okay, let me try it with my left hand. Now, I'm going to hold the tea, and this is my lift. Okay, not bad. Now, with the understanding that according to Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba, the mystical name to chant over the tea to awaken it is Seh-Haw, 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 Seh-Haw. I greet you with love. Seh-Haw, Seh-Haw, Seh-Haw. Wow. Okay, now I'm going to put the cup down again. There's a difference in the lift. I can definitely feel the difference in the lift. All right, now I'm going to hold the cup again. And when I chanted Seh-Haw, 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 I could actually feel the energy expanding from the cup, which is kind of amazing. So I'm holding the cup again. Okay, let's see what happens. Seh-Haw, Seh-Haw, Seh-Haw. Go to sleep. Sleep, sleep. Disconnect from me. Thank you. All right, now I'm going to try lifting. Oh, shoot. I'm back to where I was. Okay. Seh-Haw, Seh-Haw, Seh-Haw. Seh-Haw, Seh-Haw, Seh-Haw. Seh-Haw, Seh-Haw, Seh-Haw. Connect to me, please. Connect to me. Hear my request. Thank you. Connect to me. Now I got this connection with Seh-Haw. I'm going to acknowledge the acacia that's in the Seh-Haw tea. Jalaban, 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 Jalaban. I greet you with love, peace, harmony. Connect to me. Thank you. That's nice. So Seh-Haw, 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 Jalaban, Jalaban, Jalaban. Ooh, it feels like electricity in my hand. And if I have a health challenge, this is when I would ask, could you please assist me with healing energy throughout my body? Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm going to also say, to acknowledge our Senegalese brothers, Judah Jeff, Judah Jeff, Judah Jeff, Seh-Haw, Jalaban. And I say in my words, Ashe, Aho, Amin. Let me try lifting. Wow. Now I'm going to drink. It tastes good too. So I just want to share, activate your tea with words of power so you get the max benefit from the Acacia, Jalaban, and the Kinkeliba, Seh-Haw. And thank you for your time. And may you thrive into success, health, and happiness. Okay, I thought I'd try this 45-pound lift. Let me see if you can see it. This is 45 pounds. I want to see if we go with heavier weight, the outcome of drinking Kinkeliba tea. So it's 45. There's the tea. I'm gonna hold it in my mouth this time. And that is the tea that I had talked to activate. So definitely tap into Seh-Haw Jalaban tea.